Konnichiwa, my name is Marika Violata from BSTM 401P. Today, let me discuss the importance of 5 understanding the Japanese and mindset, and 11 culture with respect in Japan, and I will choose the top 3 among the 16 topics discussed, and I explain why. Now, there are 3 understanding the Japanese mindset. The cooperation is the key, a strong sense of gratitude, continual improve, the Japanese strive to encourage participation. Perfection never attained, but beauty and joy can be created everywhere. At 11, the culture respect in Japanese. The kotoba or language, manaa or manners, shokan or costume, eribi taan tendanto, niishi o kuukashimasu, keigo honorifics, san, sama, sensei, gozaimasu. 3 topics that I choose is sensei, manners, and cooperation is the key. Let me discuss these 3 topics, why I choose this. First, sensei. In Japanese culture, a sensei is a person who holds a position of respect and authority, often a teacher or mentor. The word itself is derived from the character sen, meaning before, or sie, meaning life. Essentially, a sensei is someone who's come before and has knowledge and experience that they can pass on to others. Manners in Japanese plays a crucial role in Japanese culture and society. It encompasses a wide range of behaviors, actions, attitudes that are considered polite and also are respectful and considered towards others. Manners are deeply embedded in the Japanese psyche and are a reflection of not only one's upbringing but also one's character and integrity. Japanese people are taught from a young age to be humble and modest in their actions and speech. And lastly is cooperation is the key. One of the most aspects of cooperation in Japanese culture, the emphasis of group harmony and consensus building. In Japanese society, the needs of the group are often prioritized over the needs of the individual, and individuals are need expected to work together towards common goals and objectives. This emphasis of group harmony is evident of various aspects of Japanese society, such as decision-making process and organization, where consensus building is often preferred over individual decision-making. Now, why I choose these 3 topics first is sensei. It is showing respect to their teacher. Sensei is a role model to the student to embodying the value of discipline, while the manners maintaining harmony and respect within society from the young age. Japanese individuals are taught the proper etiquette in various social situations, not just school, but also at home or even the workplace. And lastly, cooperation is the key. Individuals are taught from the young age to prioritize the needs of the group over their own personal desire. These 3 topics that I choose is a very big impact for me, because in Japanese we should do it not our family but also to the everyone. And most lastly, I will choose you the step on how to bow correctly in Japanese.